Hi, I'm Hannah Check, and I am Arise MD's practice manager, and I'm here today to go over with you how to create your own supplement account with Wholescripts, which is powered by Zymogen. Zymogen is a supplement company that we often use here at the office, but we want to give you some tools to be able to order online at your own convenience. So to begin, we'll go to arisemd.com, our website, and on this homepage, you'll see at the top WS, so for Wholescripts, powered by Zymogen. It's a button you can just click. You'll click on that and you'll put in your email. We'll put in our practice email here. You'll click Verify Practitioner, and then a prompt will come up. You'll put your name and phone number. And you'll press Agree. And you want to create your own account. You don't want to continue as a guest because it would be nice for you to come back and look at your previous orders. So my address name, I'm just going to put as home. I'm going to put the office address. Okay, and you'll create a password at the bottom. I will just create a random one for our purposes of showing you, and we'll click Create Count. Take a minute, so it says success. You'll want to log in, and then I'll be able to show you. You can save the password, and we'll do, let's see, info and the password that I just put in. And so here is, it says, welcome Hannah Check. It will have your personalized orders that you have done in the past. And this is where you'll be able to order. So this is the catalog. You'll really not know what to search right away until you get familiar with the products, but if you have one that Dr. Miller has recommended that you want to reorder, you can just type the name in there. Otherwise, I clicked on the left-hand corner catalog, and there are all these supplements that you can choose from. You'll just, let's see, go to one. You'll want to click on, let's see, active nutrients. You'll click, they do have an auto ship option. You can order it every 30, 60, or 90 days. We'll do one time for this video, and then you want to go up like any ordering site. You will just go to the right hand corner where your cart is, and you will see it in the cart. You'll check out, and then my shipping address is already saved in there for my convenience, and then you'll click continue. Pick your standard shipping. They do have free shipping after a certain amount of money spent, so keep that in mind, and it will let you know when you've reached the limit, and then you'll want to click which shipping method you want, and you'll continue to move on to payment. You'll add your payment and then place your order. So that's all that really takes for that. If you want to look at your account, they have different places to look. You have your favorite supplements that you can create, recommendations. If Dr. Miller sends you a recommendation of a supplement he'd like you to take, it will be in there. If you have more than one address, your addresses will be saved. You'll have your orders. So right now your order history will be none, but once you have that first order, you'll be able to see what you've ordered in the past, and of course settings, so managing your address and payments and things like that. So as always, if you have any questions, my information is actually on the screen. info@arisemd.com is my email, and you can reach the office at 414-386-2600. Thanks, and have a great day.